G'day scrappers. Well, not exactly scrappers today. I bought this new. So, Aldi one. My first induction cooktop. Bench is not very level, so it's quite reflective, and it works. I don't actually have a pot at hand, but just you can see that it lights up, and then you can select different temperatures. It's saying error because there's no pot. So I wonder what's inside. Okay, doesn't look too difficult. Just make it so it's in the center. This is a 2100 watt Ambianco professional induction cooker. It's the 220 to 240 volt, and the model number is EA 1295. Now, what do we need? I think this might work. Split is required, is a little bit bigger than what I have. Yep. Okay. I am going to have to adjust things. So, I'll be back. Welcome back. Had to make a tool. For that. You see it? You probably can't. Anyway, it's one of those screw heads. Anyway, the rest should be fine. Is that all of them? No. There's one more. I'm probably not going to take this fully apart because it's brand new. Okay. Let's have a look. Yeah. So that's all I'll be taking apart, really. And this is fine here. This is just conductive paste. It does its job. We've got a fan. And we've got some. This is obviously the control circuitry with an IC chip for the touch controls. Nice and red. At least I think it's red. And I'm guessing this is for controlling this. Well, I wish I could go into more detail, but I don't really know how they work. Which, yeah, it's not exactly what you're tuned in for, but that's what it looks like on the inside. Like, subscribe, you know the deal. Bye.